Hey guys, welcome to the show. Jack Scalfani here. It's the Cooking with Jack show. If you're new to it, let me tell you a little bit about the show. I'm not a chef, just a home cook. Been doing this for like 18 years, okay? Um, in fact, I literally have probably learned more from you guys than you have from me. But today, we're going to show you 3 recipes in one video. They're short, they're easy. Let's get started. So basically, all you need is like a KitchenAid, any mixer. Doesn't have to be KitchenAid. All right, and grab heavy whipping cream. I've done this before. I have failed. This is the way you do it. You put it in here, and you start stirring it. That's it. Use the whisk attachment. This is a pretty big bowl. I got a plate. I got a bowl here, which I'm going to fill with ice and make an ice bath like you would for hard-boiled eggs. But you're going to rinse the butter in it and get it cold. So we'll make an ice bath in a minute. Just take your heavy whipping cream. I'm doing the whole container. You do whatever you want. I got recipe down below. Probably doesn't ask for the whole container. All right, guys. Lift the bowl up if you got that model. I advise you to start off slow. Start off slow and then go probably a little faster than that. All right? And then just let the whisk keep spinning. Here, let me show you. That's what it looks like. Just keep stirring. And then when it starts to change a little bit in consistency, I'm going to go one more level. There we go. And just let it do its thing. This process will separate like the butter from like the whey, or some people refer to it as buttermilk. You could store it and use it. Use it in biscuits, use it in pancakes, use it however you need. Okay, guys, well, while this is going on, it's a great time to start your water bath in the bowl. So go get that ready, because once the butter starts to form, you're going to take it out, you're going to mash it together like a ball, and rinse it in the ice water. Okay, guys, once you go too high, you go fast, cover it with a towel so that the milk doesn't splash everywhere, okay? As it separates, it gets more liquidy, if that's even a word, and you want to prevent it from splashing all over your kitchen. So go ahead and cover it up and go on high speed. So, as you can see, maybe it's turning into like a whipped cream, and there are hints of yellow appearing in the mix. We're just going to leave it at that speed for a while. Okay, guys, so it's starting to turn yellow. It's been about 5-6 minutes. Okay, guys, a big clump of butter came out. I've shaped it a little bit. I'm now just putting it in an ice bath to kind of get it to solidify, get all the buttermilk off it. And that is it. We just made butter in 5 to 10 minutes. 1 carton of heavy whipping cream gives you that much butter. So we got everything we need. Few ingredients: apple cider vinegar, whole milk. We're going to season the cream cheese with green onion, dill, and garlic, okay? That's all you're going to need. This is a lazy man version. You can make cream cheese many ways. This is the quickest and easiest method. Okay, guys, first thing you do is pour all your milk into a saucepan like this. As you can see, it's all getting ready to boil. We're going to bring it to a boil, and then we're going to add in the apple cider vinegar. But first, bring it to a boil, not a big boil, just kind of between a simmer and a boil. Okay, so it's starting to bubble a little bit, boil a little bit. Take your apple cider vinegar and dump it in. Okay? Go ahead and put the flame on low. I don't recall they said to leave the flame on. I don't think so. Let me turn that off. I can always turn it back on. But go ahead and mix this up. As you can see, it's starting to, here, let me show you. Starting to get little bumps, little curly bumps. Keep stirring it up. Send this through a strainer. What we're going to do is we're going to take our strained cheese. Oh, this place is a mess. Sorry. Move things around so we can bring it over. We're going to take spoonfuls. What came out of it was cream cheese. Okay, so it looks like something like this. So I can show you up close. Still needs to be blended a little bit. But the texture is great. Right there. Okay? Okay, guys, these recipes get easier and easier. We're about ready to do the sour cream. Let's get started. You're going to do heavy whipping cream, lemon juice, pinch of salt. That's pretty much it. So let's get started putting together. There we go. Okay. The butter, refrigerate. The cream cheese, refrigerate. I looked everything up. This, you leave out on the counter between 12 and 24 hours. All right? Put the rest of the milk in there. There we go. All right. Take your lemon juice. Put that in there. A little bit of salt. Put that in there. Cover it up. Shake it up. There you go. 12, 24 hours. We're going to leave it overnight and we will film tomorrow. We'll taste the butter. We'll taste the sour cream. We'll taste the cream cheese. We'll see how everything came out. All right. There you go. That should be sour cream in the morning. We will see you tomorrow. All right, guys, it's the next morning. Since I would say the cream cheese is a little questionable, we'll try that first. All right. And then we'll see about the rest. All right, there. I probably would not have put the onions in it, but the cream cheese, it came out good. Better than I thought. But I'd only, I wish I had a bagel. I'd give it like a 5 out of 10. I'd still buy cream cheese. All right, here we go. The butter, I should have salted. All right. But I've had unsalted butter. Mm-hmm. That's butter. That's like 9 out of 10. Had I put salt in, it would have been a solid 10. Okay? Let's try this now. Oh my gosh, it's way thick. It's way. I'm going to show you guys. It's way thick. Look. Can you see that? It's not coming out the fork. Of course, I don't want to try all that. Here we go. Let's try it out. Yep. That's sour cream. That's I probably, well, I did. I probably should have put a little more salt. I can taste the salt now. That's a solid sour cream. It tastes different, but it's pure ingredients. That is really good. That is surprisingly good. I'd do that again. I'd do that again. That I'd do better. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 5 out of 10. All right? There you go. Don't forget, it's almost September. That means we're going to start doing pizza recipes. I've already started working on it. September is pizza month. Pizza Wars Tour. Jack and the Go pizza places. Cooking with Jack Pizza. It's all pizza. And yes, I will be trying pizza, even though I don't normally eat pizza. Get over it. All right? I love you guys. See you in the next episode.